Handak Augusta Howard Ministry of Home Affairs na New Delhi da Kokijo Council luchingbaga mifam pangthoi. Masigi matamda Kokijo Council na makhoi dabi mayam so meeting da haidoi. Masigi talks da KZC luchingba singna praja miyam gi apamba hana yengba darkar lei haire. Nagalamromda Ministry of Home Affairs official ga suspension of operation gi makhada leiba UPF ga Keno ga su unaduna SO sanghanba political solution lakpa yana bagi su meeting da hainaki. Churachandpur police ga 129 battalion CRPF na community policing pai khatpadu khun tungan bada toina chathare. Masina security force singa police mayam ga public relations team na bagi thorum amani. August tang taruk ta first IRB team na Gothol area da thihum chatpata nongmai ga maruk yarom fagat pangamle. Nongmai marakta Bharat na saba ghatak AK-47 rifles yauna fagat pagambani aduga rocket bomb kayasu fagat pani security forcing na lepta na mafam tungan baga khun tungan bada operation paikhat padu adum chathari yum da chatlaga public verification su adum paikhat pani masina Churachandpur jila da gun culture irang thuk padigi leiba adu chang yamna nemtharasu khalle. Handak Parliament Monsoon Session Lok Sabha the Union Finance Minister na Manipur Appropriation Bill Lupa crore 30,969 rom pass tauke. Masina chahi 2023 dagi Manipur da Kanglup ani gi marakta yana daba thok padagi zila tungan bada development thabak mayam lab khraba lambi infrastructure mayam chawkhatnaba khonthang mayam lepagumna leibase masigi bill na Manipur pumnamak chingatamda manana development kharabu puthukane su khalle. August tang nipan numit ta Churachandpur jila da ihan hanba oina Raven College Autonomous da Geography Department na Geographic Information System GIS ga Remote Sensing Laboratory sangakhre. Masina Geography Satra Sati mayamna yamna kanagani su khalle. Ferozor jila ki District Administration ga District Police na khud samnaraga Nasamuk Bharat Abhiyan gi maramda cycle rally pangthoi. Kumsi gi rally gi theme na say no to drugs yes to life ne. Azadi ki Amrit Mahotsav tattana chathariba gi mari leinaba Churachandpur jila gi SP Prakar Pandey IRB CRPF BSF yauna kumsi gi Independence Day ga mari leinaba har ghar tiringa bike rally campaign su pangthoi. Ferozor jila gi Ferozor ground da humpu tarama pal suba Bharat gi ningtam thauram adu Ferozor ground da DC SP ga sarkar gi luchingba mayam yauna pamdaba thoduk thoktana thorum pangthoi. Center for Community Initiative ga Airport Authority of India na handak August tang tranipan numita DC Conference Hall da Damalsom Initiative differently able person mayam yingbiba organization gidamak MOU iraga disabled student mayam gidamak skill building ka tranipan rom saba gidamak yanaba ama purakhi. Masigi organization ase differently able person mayam da thabak paikhatpa organization amani. Handak August tang tramapan numita Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana Churachandpur jila da lakpada tribe tungan bana Manipur da santi amuka purak na bagi peace talk leihanninge masigi maramda sarkar na thabak kanna paikhatde haire. Numit asida governor na IDP kangbu gidamak prefabricated house New Zealand phaida sangakhre. Lup tungan baga CSO luchingba mayam gasu unaduna memorandum kayasu governor da pikhi. Churachandpur jila da district administration na tha khuding da pithukpa relief materials relief camp tungan bada leiba mayam gidamak pithoe. Haujik Churachandpur jila da relief camp 81 dagi mioi 15,961 lei. Handak nong kanna chubada National Highway 102B ga National Highway 102 Guiti Road ga Tipaimuk lambi da mafam tungan bada lambi ninghaiba mudslide mafam madu NHIDCL ga BIPL na thabak leptana paikhat padagi maramda haujikan lambi ani sida passenger ga malgari mayam chenba hawre. Churachandpur jila da handak August ha phawbada dengue leina da naba positive tararom phangle. Dengue leina phangwa jaga gi mayam da Malaria Department na fogging ga thihumba thabak kanna paikhatle. Handak August ha manungak da Churachandpur jila da scrub typhus na chikpa mioi 65 positive phangkre. August tang kontra 2025 numit da Rural Women Upliftment Society RUS na NGO amana Churachandpur jila da leiba IDP Women's Fair pangthoe. IDP da leiba nupi mayam khut saba potlam sing yonthoe.